wonderful good morning, everybody. So yesterday we've had a really nice evening with the Canadian guys, and now we're gonna go to make some yoga. And yeah, it's really awesome here because it's a very warm climate, so it's yeah, you can wear this all the time, no matter if it's raining or if it's not.
All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage cry. We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time. All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage cry. We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time. All my friends in the loop.
So we've just had the yoga class, and it was really awesome because we had like the ocean view over here, and we could hear the birds chirping. And actually it was raining a lot in between, but now the sun's shining again. So yes, we did a good meditating, I guess. Yeah, so it was awesome. The place we are staying at is called Polo Beach, and we're paying about $15 per person per night. We wanted to stay longer, but they were fully booked out, probably because it's carnival and this is a very busy time. So now we're gonna go to the Polo Beach. What an awesome hike! Going through the mud. It's such a beautiful mud walk. Okay, wow, so this is undescribable. It's just beautiful here. And there are no people, so we're really lucky to get to know this place here. And there's supposed to be a very crazy guy, which is called Polo. And I'm really looking forward to meeting him because he's about 70 years old and he lives here for a few years and he owns a lot of property here. Yeah, Buffy, to take one. Yeah, for me too, please. Coconut. my drone, and yes, I got it back safely. So you're gonna see some footage of that one. And now we're gonna head along the beach and do a little walk and explore the island a little bit more.
We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time.
So welcome to the Red Frog Beach. This is right here, and we finished our walk, and I think we're gonna chillax now a little bit and lying at the beach and enjoying our time. It's beautiful here.
All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage cry. We don't sleep when the sun goes down.
Okay, so we are enjoying our Caribbean time here and doing some swimming in the water. Although it's very dangerous because there are a lot of currents here, but still the water is warm, the weather is perfect, so yeah, enjoying our time here. So we came back from the beach and we've just had a shower with fresh rainwater, and it was so awesome. And now I can show you what it looks like here. So I just came from the toilet. Oh, where is it? Ta-da-da-da. Here, and this is like the view we got here. We're literally in the middle of the jungle. You always hear noises like that. So now I'm gonna show you our accommodation. And our room is called Cacao because guess what? Da-da-da-da. There's a cacao plant over here. Oh yeah, here you can see the sky. It's just amazing here. And I'm gonna show you what the room looks like. Hi, Babsi.
Hi.